Hi children. In last class we saw illustration 2. Now let us move on to illustration 3. From the following details, calculate the missing figures. What do we mean by missing figures? The value of any one of the item which is not given is called as missing figures. So, any one of the value will be missed and we are to find that. How will you find it? Let's move on to the sum. Closing capital as on 31/3/2019 is 1,90,000. Additional capital introduced during the year 50,000. Drawings during the year 30,000. Opening capital as on 1/4/2018 is missed. Question mark. Loss for the year ending 31/3/2019 40,000. We know that we have to follow the format method. So in format method, what do we do? Capital at the end, add drawings during the year, then less additional capital introduced during the year, then you will get the value of adjusted closing capital, then deduct the opening capital, so you get whether profit or loss. But in our sum, they have given it as loss and opening capital have to be found. So how will you find that? So you write statement of profit or loss for the year ended and the date from closing capital. The date is 31st March 2019. Closing capital date will be written here. Then move on particulars rupees. Closing capital as on 31/3/2019 1,90,000. Add drawings during the year 30,000. When you add both you get 2,20,000. Less additional capital introduced during the year 50,000. So you get 1,70,000 which is the adjusted closing capital. Next, less opening capital, but we do not know what is the value of opening capital. So write the name opening capital as on 1/4/2018 and in the bracket we will write balancing figure because we are finding the opening capital. And where you write the figure, that is where you write the value, you keep it empty and move on to the next line. We know in the previous two sums, in the first illustration we got a profit, so profit will always have positive value, whereas in the second sum we got a loss, so loss will be termed as negative value with the negative sign. So now in this sum we have loss for the year ended. So you write loss for the year ending 31/3/2019. Loss will be mentioned with the sign minus. So what you do? Write minus 40,000. Now see below you have minus 40,000 and above you have 1,70,000 and the sign used between these two is less, that is minus sign. We know that minus into minus, when you have the same signs, what you will do? Add the value and write here. So here you see 1,70,000 minus of 40,000. So what you will do? When minus of is given, it has to be added. So 1,70,000 plus 40,000 will give you 2,10,000. Ma'am, this step is too confusing for me. I cannot follow this. As such, if you have any grievances, don't worry. We have the T method to follow with. So, let's see the T method. In T method, we arrange the entities on the debit side and credit side. On a debit side, we will have closing capital, drawings and loss. And on the credit side, we will have opening capital, additional capital and profit. Now, for us, in a sum, either profit or loss will be appearing. And in our exercise, it is given as loss. So, what you do? Capital, that is closing capital, 1,90,000, drawings 30,000, loss 40,000 on the debit side. And on credit side, opening capital is not given. Keep the place empty and move towards the next entity, additional capital 50,000. Here profit cannot be found because already we have incurred a loss. At the end, you balance on both the sides. So on your debit side, you get 2,60,000, and on your credit side, you get only 50,000. 2,60,000 minus 50,000 will be 2,10,000, which is the balance of opening capital. So write 2,10,000 under opening capital. Now you got the opening capital amount. Now what you can do, you can post the same values into your format method. So closing capital drawings will be added and additional capital will be deducted from it, and you will deduct the opening capital amount which you have found from the T method. It is 2,10,000. And now when you deduct the opening capital, automatically you get minus 40,000, which is the loss incurred for the period. Is it clear? Thank you.